I don't know what it is.
Oh my god! I feel like I'm 16! Oh my god! What is? You guys all knew about it? Oh my god!
What for you?
It's mine! Oh my god, it's got a bell on it! I thought I was 16 years old. Oh my god, is it really my car? Oh my god, look at my husband did!
It's nice.
Oh my god! Oh, I'm so excited! I got a freaking car!
You got your car?
Yeah!
Where's my new car?
You knew about it too?
No.
We didn't know. Oh my gosh.
Mom, I need a new car.
Holy shit. Wow! Is this so cool?
What's he recording?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Do you like my car? I'm in shock.
I'm smiling.
I'm in shock.
It's manual, Mom. It's everything you wanted.
It's a 6-speed, 5-speed. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
You should cry. It's
Look at the engine.
You turn it on.
The key. You got to put the clutch in.
Moly.
It's telling you how to start.
You got to move the seat up too, probably.
I'm shaking. Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Seat up. There you go.
Wow. This smells good. I can't believe it.
That is so cool.
What did you say? The key wasn't in the car. There's the key now. Now try it.
Moly. Oh my god.
Did you see it from up? Did you see it from upstairs?
I can't believe it. I'm freaking out.
Did you see it from upstairs?
No, I was like, I saw that thing.
She was looking outside right as you came.
I can't. I'm gonna join my sister Kara in school.
I love you.
I would hope so.
Yay, Mom! It has a sunroof. Look. That is just. I'm flabbergasted.
It's exactly everything you
I
wanted.
can't believe it. Do you like my car? Want to take a ride? Do you drive a stick? Holy, stop
That's
doing
right.
that
You know
now.
how to drive a stick.
I can't believe it. Look how adorable it is. You guys all knew.
I just let them know today.
You did?
Yeah. No, Luke knew last night.
Holy shit.
And guess what? DMV's done.
That's awesome.
DMV's done. There's the tags.
I feel like I'm 16 years old.
Mom, you got a brand new car.
I got a brand new car. Stop it with the cameras. Oh my
Okay,
God.
okay,
Do you like
okay.
my big pillow?
Just wanted to get
I
something.
think I'm gonna save this show forever. I'm gonna show my dad. Is that so cute, man? I can't believe it. Stop it.
Pete and I got the bow made.
You did?
Yeah, it's blue for your favorite color.
Yeah, she helped me.
Oh, but I can't believe it. Stop it now. That's enough now.
But the bow was Dad's. I knew it.
It's coupe, yeah. It's coupe. It's your color. It's the interior color.
What is that?
That's the, you push that to open the trunk, this little button.
Cool.
Yeah.
God, I'm, oh my
Mom,
God.
it's so
I think I took
nice.
my blood pressure pill today.
I know, right?
Wow, it's still going. Tell me, stop that. I can't see the button on
Yo, this
YouTube.
is awesome.
I have to go get my shoes on. Look, it's all exactly what I said I wanted.
Yep, it is.
Dad worked really hard to find it.
This is the car that was in Pottstown.
Did you just drive to Pottstown?
No, I got them to move it down for free.
Where's your car?
Up at the dealership.
Wow. Oh my God.
We got alloy wheels and
I can't believe it. Wow.
It's so nice, Mom.
Oh my God.
But it's the best looking car on this block.
How, wait, it's all ready?
yeah, I transferred the tags from the Golf. We don't have to do anything. We're
My
done.
sisters
For real?
Yes.
I'm filming other matches. Oh my God. I'm not gonna sleep tonight. Let's go now. I can't believe it.
I'm so happy for you.
Yay,
Yay, Mom!
I should have touched up my makeup.
You got a brand new car,
I'm
Mom.
like, I can't believe it. So I just go like that and it opens?
No, that locks it. That locks it, but it won't let you lock it because the key's in it.
Oh yeah.
She can't lock her keys in the car ever again.
And the sunroof, I can't believe you got that. I thought it didn't.
Well,
come
this is
like
the
that.
EX. It has all the features.
Man, oh man, oh man. Ay, ay, ay. No, that's a real thing, is it? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
That means she's got to do more.
No more videos.
Cheese. It's not working.
You don't have any space left.
Oh yeah, I don't.
I
gotta do it
can't
with
believe
pizza.
it. I can smell the nudity on it.
Yay, the nudity.
I'm not gonna sleep.
It has 130 miles on it.
130 miles. That's
Yeah, because they had to get it down from Pottstown.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Oh, wait, let me get